payment systems are available in your personal area. Enter the email address you want to register this personal area to. Create a password following the special requirements, including uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. You will use this email and password to access your personal area from the web or the Exness Trader app. If you have a partner code, there's an optional step here to enter it and link your account to the Exness Partnership Program. Entering an incorrect partner code will clear the entry field so that you can try again. You must also tick the box to declare and confirm you are not a citizen or resident of the US. Click Continue, and you will be taken to the Exness terminal. Click here to open a new tab in your browser for your personal area. By default, you will find a real MT5 trading account in the My Account area under the Real tab. You will also find the Demo MT5 trading account under the Demo tab. Now let's look at how to create more trading accounts in your new personal area. Select Open New Account from the My Accounts area. Choose an account type from our selection of standard and professional accounts. Then click Open Real Account for a real account, or try Demo for a demo account. On the next page, you can again set your account type to Real or Demo and choose your preferred trading terminal, either MT4 or MT5. Now choose your preferred max leverage setting and account currency, keeping in mind you cannot change the account currency later. Finally, choose a nickname for this trading account and set its password, known as a trading password. When these are complete, tap Create an Account. That's it. Your new account will appear in the My Accounts area under the Real or Demo tab, depending on which you created. Thank you for choosing Exness. Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we are going to show you how to fully verify your Exness profile with desktop browsers. To begin, log into your personal area on our website. Click Become a Real Trader to begin verifying your profile. First, verify your email address by clicking Send Me a Code. Then enter the code and click Continue. Next, verify your phone number by entering it. Then select whether you'd like an SMS or call, and click Send Me a Code. Enter the code and click Continue to complete verifying your phone number. Now enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and address. Click Continue to complete this step. You'll be greeted with a confirmation message that you can now deposit funds. You can click Deposit Now to deposit funds, or click Complete Verification to complete verifying your profile. If you choose to deposit, you can go back to account verification later by clicking on the Complete Verification icon on the home page. The next stage of verifying your Exness profile is completing the economic profile. The economic profile is merely a survey of your trading experience, but is required to unlock all the features of a fully verified trading account. Click Continue once this form is filled out. Before you proceed to submit your identity and address documents, you will be asked to check your name as entered during registration. It is important that the name on the account matches the documents submitted, and also the name on any payment accounts used in the future for deposits and withdrawals. Make necessary edits and click Upload Documents. Now it is time to submit your proof of identity document. First, select the country of issue for the identity document and the type of document you wish to submit. Depending on the type of document selected, instructions and requirements will be shown below. For the best chance at success, do follow the handy do's and don'ts listed here. Click Upload the document and find your digital copy to attach. Once attached, click Confirm and proceed to submit your identity documentation. Finally, it is time to submit your proof of residence documents. Please comply with the requirements and instructions shown when choosing which document to submit. Click Upload Proof of Residence document, and then Submit document to confirm. Congratulations! Your account status will be updated automatically to fully verified once your documents are successfully reviewed. Thank you for choosing Exness.